ever happened to you where you yawn in between a workout even if you're not sleepy? Well, yawning tends to happen during a workout to regulate your brain temperature, or maybe your body needs more oxygen because of a heavy or high intensity workout. Sometimes it's a trigger of your nervous system preparing for physical exertion if you are stressed or mentally fatigued. So to reduce it, make sure you warm up properly, focus on your breathing, stay hydrated, and fuel up before your workouts. However, if it is excessive along with dizzy spells which happen often, make sure you check with your doctor to get a proper diagnosis.